The Kilauea Volcano is making headlines with its eruption on the big island of Hawaii. What you may not know is Kilauea is one of the most active volcanoes in the world and has been in a constant state of eruption since 1983. How do I know that? Google. Also, because I've seen it erupting before in person. Yeah. I took a helicopter tour over Kilauea and Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. It's a really popular tourist attraction, despite the obvious risks. And as you can see, there is lava. Not a lot, but I went on just like an average day way before the current eruption. Kilauea is a shield volcano, so it's less of a mountain and more like a broad, gentle slope. Lava comes out in all directions from a central summit vent or group of vents. And as you can see, lava was coming out from many places. You see that smoke? That is lava hitting the water. If you think that you've never learned about a shield volcano, you have. Mars's Olympus Mons is a shield volcano. And Kilauea is really special in Hawaii. It's one of 5 active volcanoes, 4 of which are on the Big Island. It's the youngest and most active. I mean, its name means spewing. And its caldera, or basin-shaped volcanic depression, is home to the fire goddess Pele. Volcanoes have always fascinated me, and so to see one from up above was so cool. Although I would never want it to be too close to me, so my thoughts are with everyone in Hawaii right now that has been affected. I hope that everyone stays safe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, hit that subscribe button for more travel videos on Thursday.